Nets with a three-point lead. Harris, pump. Down to 2, down to 1, a three, he's got it! Hudson ties the game! 3/10 of a second.
Oh, what is this?
Mixed with a rare defensive breakdown. Walton
has G. Parker. Samardo Samuels out there with Jamison. Antoine comes to the ball. Finding Hudson. Can he do it again? Lester inside. Floats. Got it! 1.2 to go! Are you kidding?
Just stop him. Double teams, triple teams, boxes and ones. He is not afraid to shoot the ball.
And shoot he does. Bobcats turn it over.
A little ragged now. Slow it down. Let's get a good play.
Hudson says, for three as he stuck it.
And the good play is what? Lester from 3. Have to produce, and you have people coming after you like that. I mean, Milwaukee, the last time we played them, I thought they were a shoe to get in.
Hudson with a 3-ball. Yeah, you get exposed is what it is. Drops it off bounce feed to a cutting Lester Hudson.
Lester doing a good job.
Jazz have only gotten to the free throw line, as you just saw a moment ago, one time. Hudson keeping that dribble alive, getting inside, right down Euclid.
He did a good job of letting the defense resettle.
Mr. Hudson back out there. An 11-point first half. Split the defense. Gets inside, squares up, puts it down. Looking for the and one. Lester against your old team. 4-1 Cavaliers on the runouts. Omri Kinsby on the finish. They played to hang on Sloopy during the timeout. I didn't notice Drew Gooden's foot tapping, though, as his Jayhawks, of course, play the Buckeyes tomorrow night. And Samardo Samuels on the hard right hand. Caspi, nothing there, a lot of dribbling. Here comes Lester. Hudson's got to try to bail out the possession. Teardrops. Got it off a rubber rim.
Lester can beat you off the dribble.
Lester Hudson comes in, and instant offense. Hudson
came off that screen. Tristan rolled off his and pumped it.
To suit up in the NBA. And a steal. It's Hudson going to the hoop. He lays it in. Timeout, Avery Johnson. Cavaliers cut it to 2.
for dear life. Our Lexus Super Slow-Mo look here at the Garden. Hudson, a no look to Samuels, who finishes with the dunk.
It was Sheldon. That time it was Humphries.
Under a minute to go. A switch. Humphries guarding Hudson. Hudson blows by him for the bucket.
A tough basket right there, because he got that.
This league, and you can last a long time, but you must develop a counter.
Here comes Hudson in the hurry up. Inside with a left hand and a finish. Lester Hudson leaving rubber burn marks to the.
Hudson down the lane, off the glass. Lester Hudson.
Back in, Walton, nearly a turnover. 3-ball, it's Hudson. Falling to the floor.
Sloan at the top. Lester Hudson, the flavor of the day, 26 against New Jersey. Takes it in the lane, lays it up and in. Lester Hudson with 13.
Off the ball in the wing, looked up the shot clock, said I got in the second quarter. Hudson with a nice drive. Lester Hudson.
Cavaliers get into a set here with G on the outside. Double team comes. Hudson moving well without the ball and connects for 3.
Ball movement. 22-20 Philadelphia. Hudson in the lane. Hits it.
Yeah, Lester saying,
Richie had 10 points, 7 rebounds, and 4 assists. Up top for Samuel again. Gathering and scoring with a left hand.
Team on Darren Williams. Green gets the open look. Hudson answers. Boy, he can score. Lester Hudson, the
first. Playing Miami or Chicago, whoever finishes second in the East, depending on the fact they win their first round series, is Hudson.
to ward him off. And he had a chance to.
Hudson gets it to go. So Lester his second field.
Set his feet, line it up, knock it down.
Well, you know, he's 37%. I'd probably go under it too and challenge him. Hudson, 5 on the shot clock on DJ White. He gets by White. gets the lay-in.
Another opportunity for Hudson. He realizes
A player like his daddy, Terry Davis, 10-year vet in the NBA. Hudson sends it and hits it.
Good pass by the Cavaliers, coming off, ready to shoot. Lester.
Hudson puts it up and in, and he was fouled.
Lester said enough.
Your Wizards news, back to you.
We'll look for it. Thank you, fellas. Wow. Long shot to work on this summer in the offseason.
Well, he's
for
going to
sure.
have to. He's going to have to.
Parker squares up and hits.
But sooner or later,
4. Still 2 minutes left in the OT. Hudson goes inside, spins and scores. He's good at that one.
yeah, he likes to.
Cleveland 12 of 14. Lester Hudson left wide open for 3. Everybody left and said, Lester said, while you're gone.
First round opponent of these Pacers. Should it stay that way? Leandro Barbosa comes off the bench. Hudson sends it from 15 feet. Perfect.
Doing a good job of coming off the pitch. He flared out.
The only question was, would his knees hold up? And they certainly have so far. Hudson fires for 3. So Lester.
And now he'll turn it over. Hudson ahead on a 3-on-1 with Caspi.
People are watching, well, they certainly are watching Green to see what he does and what the Nets do at the end of this season.
Hudson connects a triple. Lester.
Again, the bench brigade doing it like they did last night. On the cut, Hudson, teardrops, got it again! Lester!
That was a super pass by.
16 straight points here.
Wow.
Doubling up the Cavs in the process. Hudson says, ball pops back in with a rubber rim.
Right.
Had to give it up. Manny Harris, plenty of time on the shot clock. Hudson attacking. Finger rolls it and scores it.
Good job of using the up fake.
The second quarter. On the floor with Luke Walton. And Samarno Samuels up
Good
front.
pass.
By Hudson from Walton.
He has great vision.
Double shooter.
Yeah, and think about it. It takes time to get that type of shot off, but he's always open to get it off, and Caspi answers him right back.
Continues to struggle with his three-point shot, just 23% of the year.
Look at Hudson packing and dishing.
Walton wide open. And here comes
Down on the outside, too strong. Hudson with a rebound, and Cleveland on the run. Hudson doesn't waste any time. The fact that he finds.
He's had a couple of double-figure scoring games. 18 against Indiana, 14 against Golden State. Hudson spins and hits for 3.
Starting to get a feel now. Now it's time to settle down and make everything work.
And look for Jamison again. Peels inside.
It's on both ends. Hudson gets it back. Hudson down the lane, scored 2 more. 18 for Lester Hudson.
My goodness, doing it on both ends.
No Kyrie Irving, no Anthony Parker, no Anderson Varejao for Cleveland. No Daniel Gibson as well. Jump shot, Lester Hudson.
111-80.
And you see all the big guns are resting up for tomorrow.
Getty puts the shot up. The rebound tipped by Charlotte, but Thomas couldn't control it. Long court pass. Jamison, he'll get
Away when you turn up the heat on the defensive end of the floor.
Caspi for 3. The bottom.
Yes.
Hudson tees it up for 3 and hits.
Yes. Lester is.
Well, Lord goes to Lester Hudson with post up on Kimball Walker and score.
Found the leader in Leicester.
Yep.
And now everybody's falling into place now. They, by losing sessions, really hurt the second team. Now they're back on track.
Hudson sends it and rainbows it home.
Shoot it, Leicester. Woo.
His first 2. Walton directing traffic. Hudson sends it. Got it! Lester Hudson.
Leicester.
Oh, very quickly. Lester Hudson.
He's got a good-looking shot. 6 points for Hudson.
100% if you can't make it back, then so be it.
Next full contact practice for the Cavs won't be for another week and a half. Hudson sends it for 3. Clean stroke there.
Uh-oh. Hudson.
Hold the ball here. 6-second difference between the shot and the game play. Erden comes out, tries to set a screen. Shot goes off the glass and in. Lester Hudson.
Break here of 5 years of 259 games in a row as Hudson scores. Charged with .3 left to force overtime. And then had the 10-rebound game. He's got 13 already. Cavaliers with a steal. On the run out, 3-on-2. Hudson keys the break. Gets inside himself.
Did a good job of setting it up.
And he smiled and said, sometimes you get the breaks. Inside Hudson with left-hand finish. Remember, he was a second-round draft pick. Tough challenge there for Antoine as he was flying out of bounds.
He's lost his balance, so he really couldn't control the pass.
Inside, Donald Sloan with a nice cut from Hudson.
It's good.
Just his 8th rebound to go with his 10 points. Hudson split the D, goes inside, and got it to go.
Nice drive inside off of the pick and roll.
He's certainly one of their frontline guys for the future, at least rotation-wise. Hudson throwing it up, and it goes in.
he kind of.
Shelvin Mack in guarding Hudson. Long jumper, good for 3.
Won't go, and the Cavaliers have a break here. 3-on-1. Jamison tees it up. A 3. And
West on the miss. Here comes Hudson to G. And he was able to get inside.
There. Yeah. He was caught. Parker from the corner. Knocks it down again for 3.
You got to open shot, take it, because we need rhythm and flow to the offense.
Hudson sends it
Right
and hits
there.
it.
You come off the pick.
Walton has it. 7 on the clock, shot clock. Hudson for 3.
On a bounce back from a 2 for 10 shooting night in Atlanta. Here's Lester Hudson to the rim. Finishes with the left hand.
Nice curl play. That's without Anderson. There's
Yes.
They were up 1 and 2 when Andy was on the floor. As Manny Harris hits the 3 ball. The trouble is coming as Mike Dunleavy getting ready to check in.
Yes.
One of the hottest shooters in the league right now. Hudson scores. Count it. Looking for the...
The other way, they miss it short. Follow in by Lester Hudson.
Pick and pop action. Jamison.
Lester gets the steal. Backs to Lester for 2.
Hudson to Caspi on the wing.